Math, in daily life, it's more likely than you think. Absolutely. It's woven into the very fabric of our existence, an integral part of everything we do. Every time you hit snooze, that simple act, and calculate how much longer you can sleep, trying to squeeze in those precious extra minutes, you're already doing math. It's ingrained in our routines. It's a silent partner in our daily decisions, guiding our choices. Math isn't just for scientists, those brilliant minds in labs. It's a fundamental tool we all use, whether we realize it or not, from the moment we wake up to the time we drift off to sleep. It's a constant companion. From planning our day, scheduling appointments, and managing our time, to shopping, comparing prices, and calculating discounts. The two big players in this mathematical game: algebra and calculus. Algebra is your detective, diligently solving for unknowns, like figuring out your budget, determining expenses, and planning for the future. It helps you find the missing pieces of your financial puzzle, providing clarity and direction. Calculus is your fortune teller, carefully tracking how things change, like your speed while driving, the acceleration of a car, or the rate of change in investments. It's all about understanding movement and trends. Knowing which mathematical tool to use makes life's puzzles significantly easier to solve. We'll show you exactly how algebra helps with a variety of everyday tasks, and how calculus elegantly explains the constant change all around you in the world. It's a language that describes the rhythm of life. Ready to explore? Let's dive into the fascinating world of math that powers your daily life. Get ready to unlock the secrets hidden in plain sight. Algebra at its heart is all about the thrill of the chase, the intellectual adventure, the quest to find the unknown, solving for that elusive X. It's not just abstract symbols scribbled on a page, it's a powerful and versatile tool that we use every single day, often without even realizing the mathematical principles at play. It's woven into the fabric of our daily routines. Think of your budget, your income, the money coming in, minus your expenses. All those bills and costs equals what's left over for fun, for savings, and for achieving your dreams, whether big or small. That's algebra, plain and simple. It's a fundamental equation, a cornerstone, that governs your financial life and helps you make informed decisions about your money. It's the foundation upon which sound financial planning is built. Cooking for more guests than usual, planning a feast for a crowd, you need to multiply those ingredients. Algebra again, ensuring your dish is a culinary success, perfectly portioned, and everyone gets a delicious and satisfying serving. Out shopping and trying to snag a deal, hunting for the best bargains and discounts, calculating those tempting sale prices, comparing discounts, or figuring out how many awesome items you can snag with that gift card burning a hole in your pocket. It's all about maximizing value. That's algebra hard at work, helping you make the most of your money, stretch your budget, and find the best bargains without overspending. It's about being a savvy shopper. Even effective time management? That's algebra too. You need to be somewhere important at 7 p.m. sharp. It takes a solid 25 minutes to drive there, 15 minutes to get completely ready, and you wisely want a 10-minute buffer for unexpected delays, like traffic or a misplaced key. So, what time do you absolutely need to start getting ready to ensure you arrive on time and stress-free? Set up the equation, factor in all the variables: travel time, preparation time, buffer time, and solve for X, the crucial starting time. Algebra empowers you to plan effectively, save strategically, manage your time wisely, and make smart, informed choices every single day. You're already an algebra detective, piecing together clues, analyzing information, and solving mysteries in your daily life. And no dusty chalkboard or complicated formulas are required. So next time you successfully solve a daily puzzle, conquer a challenge, or make a clever decision that benefits you, just remember, that's algebra in action, working its magic behind the scenes, helping you navigate the complexities of life. See? You've totally got this, and algebra is here to help you along the way. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of calculus, the branch of mathematics that truly captures the essence of change. It's not just about numbers on a page. It's a powerful tool that allows us to analyze, model, and understand the dynamic processes happening all around us, from the smallest atomic interactions to the grandest cosmic events in the universe. If algebra is like taking a snapshot, freezing a moment in time, providing a static view, a single frame, calculus is more like a movie, capturing the entire story as it unfolds, revealing the intricate details of the process, the nuances of every scene. It's about tracking how things grow and evolve, how they shrink and diminish, or how they move and transform over time, providing a continuous perspective, a flowing narrative. Think about your speedometer in your car. It's constantly using calculus to show you your precise speed at every single moment, not just an average over a longer period. It's a real-time calculation, an instantaneous reading. What about that hot coffee cooling quickly at first, releasing heat rapidly, and then more slowly as time passes, approaching room temperature? Calculus is the key to explaining that changing rate of cooling, describing precisely how the temperature decreases over time, and allowing us to predict future temperatures with remarkable accuracy. Or consider saving money in a bank account and earning compound interest on your deposits. Calculus elegantly describes how your balance grows at an accelerating rate, with interest earning interest, becoming more substantial over time and leading to exponential growth, a powerful financial concept. Weight loss, the rate at which water rises in a vase as you pour, or even the unpredictable patterns of weather changes, with temperatures fluctuating and storms brewing. These are all stories of change unfolding before our eyes, each with its own unique rhythm and pace. And calculus provides us with the tools to understand the rate of that change at every single point along the way, allowing us to make predictions and informed decisions. Algebra can give you the answer at just one specific moment, providing a single data point. Calculus, on the other hand, reveals how things evolve and transform over time, showing the entire trajectory of change. You're already using calculus thinking whenever you intuitively notice things speeding up, gradually slowing down, or changing their pace in some way, even if you don't realize it. It's truly everywhere, woven into the fabric of our daily lives, even in places where you might not immediately recognize the complex equations at play, quietly shaping the world around us. And that's the real magic and power of calculus. It's a lens through which we can see the world in motion, understanding the underlying principles that govern change. It truly is a remarkable tool. Every day you switch between algebra and calculus thinking. Splitting a bill? That's algebra. Deciding if you'll make a yellow light? That's calculus. The real power is knowing which tool to use, fixed answer or changing situation. Engineers use both calculus to model change, algebra to solve for specifics. Try spotting math in your day. Budgeting, driving, watering plants. Are you solving for X or tracking change? Math isn't about being a genius, it's about seeing the world more clearly. By thinking like a mathematician, you make smarter choices and see hidden patterns everywhere. Science rules. When you watch a thrilling basketball game or a nail-biting football match, you're witnessing math in motion. Every point scored, every player's stat line, and every game strategy is powered by numbers. Think about basketball. Calculating a player's shooting percentage is simple division, shots made divided by shots taken. Coaches rely on these stats to decide who should take the final shot. In football, yards gained, pass completions, and even the probability of making a field goal are all tracked and analyzed. Teams use this data to call the smartest plays. Ever watched a track event? Runners and coaches use averages and split times to pace themselves to perfection. Even the fastest sprinters rely on their personal bests, numbers that drive them to shave off just a fraction of a second. So the next time you're cheering on your favorite team or athlete, remember, behind every win, there's a playbook full of math. Numbers help athletes train smarter, coaches plan better, and fans understand the game on a whole new level. Math isn't just for the classroom, it's a key player in every sport. Step into your kitchen and you'll find one of the tastiest ways math sneaks into everyday life. Whether you're baking cookies or simmering a stew, numbers are always on the menu. Picture this. You want to double your grandma's famous muffin recipe. Suddenly, 1 cup of flour becomes 2, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt turns into a whole teaspoon. That's multiplication in action. Simple math making sure you've got enough treats for everyone. But what if your measuring cup only has milliliters and the recipe calls for ounces? Time to convert. Need 8 ounces of milk? That's about 240 milliliters. Math helps you swap between units, so nothing gets lost in translation. And don't forget timing. Math keeps your cake from burning. If cookies bake for 12 minutes per batch and you've got 3 trays to go, you're looking at 36 minutes total. Want them all done at once? Divide your oven space and adjust the timer. From measuring and mixing to timing and tweaking, math is the secret ingredient that makes every dish a success. So the next time you follow a recipe, remember, you're not just cooking, you're crunching numbers. Ever planned a road trip or caught a flight? You might not realize it, but math is your trusty co-pilot every step of the way. Let's say you're hitting the road with friends for a weekend getaway. First, uproute planning. Which path gets you there fastest? Apps use algorithms, fancy math equations, to suggest the quickest or most scenic routes, factoring in distance, speed limits, and even current traffic. Next, estimating travel time. If your destination is 300 miles away and you average 60 miles per hour, you can expect to drive for about 5 hours. But what about pit stops and lunch breaks? Add in some extra time and suddenly, math is helping you set a realistic schedule. Budgeting for your trip? Whether you're calculating gas costs, splitting hotel bills, or comparing flight prices, math keeps your wallet in check. Booking flights? Airlines use math to set ticket prices, and you use it to figure out the best deals and times to book. Even once you arrive, math helps you navigate public transportation schedules, convert currencies, and keep track of how much you've spent on souvenirs. So next time you pack your bags, remember, math is the ultimate travel hack, making every adventure smoother and smarter. If you'd like to explore the ways science and math and spirituality affect our everyday lives, let's fuse that knowledge from school into our daily activities. Join us here at Fusion of Knowledge TV, where we explore the intersection of science and spirituality to help you live life to your fullest potential. Thanks for watching.